Hello and welcome back again, another brand new video. And in this video we'll be showing you a very quick tips and trick in Adobe Illustrator. What I'm gonna do, let me show you the actual problem. This is my final illustration after artwork or after I reset this all this layer. As you can see, I have a lot of layers in separated layers panel. So I'm trying to save it. So let's go to file, save as, and any kinds of direction. So let's save here. Okay, so here's the problem. I can't save this file. I am trying to save over and over time, but these messages are still showing up. So in this situation, what you face or what you can do, so I'll show you a quick solution. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just file, and the document color mode. So as you can see, the document color mode are two types. One is RGB and one other is CMYK. I'm going to select the CMYK and just drag and drop a few clicks. And another one, I have to go to file, go and hit the RGB again. Now go to file, save as, and it actual location, and trying to save it again. That's okay. Yeah, it's safe. Same location or same problem is appear right there. So let's do it another time, one more time. CMYK, and let me drag something like this, or let me change this mode, RGB, and again drag something. And after that, go to file, save as. Let's trying to save another direction. And yeah, it's saved properly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete these two unnecessary file and press Ctrl S. This file will be automatically saved in my direction. So this was this very simple tips and trick. I hope you guys are helped. This video will help you a lot. Or if you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you would like to this type of more videos, please subscribe my channel. And you are an animation lover, please visit my old videos. You will be learn a lot of more. Thank you. Thanks for watching.